What's the meaning of cowl neck? Cowl neck. Cowl neck.
Cowl neck. Cowl neck. A cowl neck is a type of neckline commonly found on women's clothing, typically on sweaters and tops. It is characterized by draped fabric that forms a soft fold or scoop at the front of the garment, resembling a hood without the actual hood. The cowl neck creates a cozy and relaxed look, often found in casual wear. The drapey fabric helps to create visual interest and texture while adding a touch of elegance. Overall, the cowl neck is a comfortable and stylish design detail that adds a unique element to any outfit.